Guys, today we'll continue with a few more problems with respect to quadratic equations only. Once again, they are miscellaneous problems. Write down the problem correctly. 3x into x minus 5. Say 3x into x minus 5 is equal to 2x into x plus 7. 2x into x plus 7. Very simple problem. Whenever a problem of this sort is given, I've already told you, you'll have to bring it to the standard form of a quadratic equation. What is it? ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Now, 3x into x minus 5 is on the left hand side. Remove the bracket. What is 3x into x? 3x squared minus 15x. 3x into minus 5 is minus 15x. That is equal to 2x into x is 2x squared plus 2x into 7 is 14x. But remove the bracket. That's all. Then bring it to the standard form. That is, take every term to the left hand side. ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. That is standard form. ನಾನು ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ವಿತ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ತಗೋತೀನಿ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ತಗೋತೀನಿ, ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ವಿತ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ತಗೋತೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, 3x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 2x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ವೈ 3x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ 2x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇದೆ. ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಅದು minus 2x square. Minus 15x. Yes. Then minus 14x equals to 0. See that? I have taken everything to left hand side. ತಗೋಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾನು x square ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, x with x ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Simplified further. 3x square minus 2x square is how much? X square minus 29x equals 0. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಮತ್ತು minus 29, minus 15, minus 14 is minus 29. So minus 29x equals 0. So constant ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ, ax squared plus bx equals 0 ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಸರ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? You must know that taking out the common factor is the first method of factorization. ಇದೇ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ತಗೊಂಡು ಅರ್ಥನೇ ಅದು. Though it is a very simple problem, ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿನೇ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್ ಅಂತ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. ಹಿಯರ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಔಟ್ ದಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಎ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸೇಷನ್. ವಾಟ್ ದಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಹಿಯರ್? ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಔಟ್. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 29 equals 0. Am I right? X into x minus 29 equals 0. There are two factors. One is x and there is x minus 29. Equate each factor equal to 0. That means x equals 0. ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತೇವೆ, ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. x minus 29 equals 0. I see that? x equals 0, x minus 29 equals 0. x equals 0 ಆಗೋಯ್ತು. That is one of the roots. So x minus 29 equals 0 means x is equal to 29. See that? So what are the two roots of the equation here? 0 is one root and 29 is another root of the equation. I hope you just understand. That's all. It's a very simple problem. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ, ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಕೂತ್ಕೋತೀರಾ. Factorization, that taking out the common factor is also a method of factorization. Over. We'll go to the next problem, please. In the next problem, I am having a little different. It's a fraction type. 5x plus 7, 5x plus 7 divided by x minus 1. 5x plus 7 divided by x minus 1, that is equal to how much? 3x plus 2. On the right hand side, I got only 3x plus 2. And on the left hand side, I got a fraction. 5x plus 7 upon x minus 1. ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು, you have to cross multiply. You have to cross multiply. Come on, cross multiply. 3x plus 2 into x minus 1 equals 5x plus 7. Nodi, across multiply. 3x plus 2 into how much? X minus 1. That is equal to how much? 5x plus 7. That means left hand side ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೀವು multiply ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. You have to multiply first with 3x and then with 2. Come on to it. 3x into x minus 1 means 3x squared minus 3x. See that? 3x squared minus 3x. Then I have to multiply by 2. It becomes 2x minus 2. You please see that. I have, that is multiplication is over. I have multiplied. Then that is equal to what? 5x plus 7. Now you have to simplify the left hand side. Okay, that is 3x squared is there. Minus 3x plus 2 is minus x minus 2. That is equal to 5x plus 7. New ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೀನಿ 3x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ಡ್ ಒಂದೇ ಇರೋದು 3x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ಡ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 3x ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2x ಇದೆ ಮೈನಸ್ x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮೈನಸ್ 2 ಇದೆ ಯು ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 2 ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 5x ಪ್ಲಸ್ 7 ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಬ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ax ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ bx ಪ್ಲಸ್ c ಈಕ್ವಲ್ 0 ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಇರೋ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಇರೋ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ತಗೊಂಬನ್ನಿ ತಗೊಂಬರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ವಿತ್ x x square with x square, x with x, constant with constant. Yes sir, 3x square, ಆ ಕಡೆ ಯಾವುದು ಇಲ್ಲ Then minus x is already on the left hand side. Right. Then 5x is on the right hand side. Take it to the right hand side, left hand side probably. And then minus 5x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ minus 2 is already on the left hand side. You write it. Plus 7 ಅನ್ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ it becomes minus 7 that's equal to 0 ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲೇ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ you can easily simplify that's all then simplify it further it becomes equal to 3x squared minus 5x minus x ಇದೆ minus 6x minus 7 minus 2 ಇದೆ minus 9 equals 0 3x squared minus 6x minus 9 equals 0 ಯಾವತ್ತು ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಟ್ರೈನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ತಗೊಂಬಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ಯು ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸಿ ವೆದರ್ there is a common factor or not. Yes sir, here there is a common factor. What is common factor? 3 is a common factor. So divide everything by 3. Simplify ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. So if there is a common factor, remove it. How to remove it? Divide throughout by that one common factor. Divide throughout by 3, x squared minus 6x will become what? 2x minus 9 will become minus 3 equals 0. X squared minus 2x minus 3 equals 0. I have removed the common factor 3. Then it becomes a very simple one. Last term negative ಬಂದಿದೆ ಬಂದಿರೋ factors ಎರಡು ಏನು ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಒಂದು ಮೈನಸ್ if it is possible for our factorization. Yes, it is possible. 3 minus 3 na that is 3 split ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ 3 1 3 minus 3 plus 1. Alright? Minus 3 plus 1. Very easy. Continue that one. You know that one. You have already done it. X squared minus 2x na minus 3x plus 1x ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯೋದಿಲ್ಲ plus x minus 3 equals 0. That is minus 3x plus x minus 2x na split ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Then group them and factorize. It is not a new thing at all. We have done in the past. X into x minus 3. Then third term ಏನು ಸೈನ್ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅದನ್ನು ಆಚೆಗೆ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು and then what is common factor ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ 1 into x minus 3 that is equal to 0. So x into x minus 3 plus 1 into x minus 3 equals 0. What is common factor again? It is x minus 3. Take it out. X minus 3 into x plus 1 equals to 0. X minus 3 into x plus 1 equals 0. Equate each factor equal to 0. X minus 3 equals 0 or x plus 1 equals 0. See that x minus 3 equals 0, x plus 1 equals 0. Transform minus 3 to the right hand side when it becomes plus 3. X is equal to 3. It is one of the factors. Roots, I can as well say factors a lot. That is one of the roots. X plus 1 equals 0 means x equals minus 1. Therefore, what are the two roots of the equation? 3 and minus 1. They are the two roots of the equation. A very simple problem, but in different way. Only thing is you have to bring it to the standard form ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. ಆಮೇಲೆ decide ಮಾಡಬೇಕು whether you can factorize or not. If it is not possible for us to factorize, we'll have to adapt to which one? Formula method. ಎರಡೇ method ಇರೋದು. And then we'll just go to the third problem. Now when I just go to the third problem, it is also once again there, it amounts to factorization only. That is of course simplification. 2x plus 3 into 3x minus 2 ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 2x plus 3 into 3x minus 2 is equal to, not is equal to, plus 2 equals 0. Okay? 2x plus 3 into 3x minus 2 plus 2 equals 0. What is it you have to do? You have to multiply the first one, that is 2x plus 3 with 3x minus 2. Come on, do it. First of all, 2x in the multiply mari. 2x into 3x minus 2. What will it become? 6x squared minus 4x. Am I right? 2x into 3x minus 2. What will it become? 6x squared minus 4x. Then plus 3 is there. I have to multiply which one? 3x minus 2 by 3 only. What do you get? 3 into 3x is 9x. Plus 3 into minus 2 is minus 6. Then plus 2 equals 0. Plus 2 ಏನು ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, along with ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ಯಾವ್ದು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. Plus 2 equals 0. You have to simplify it. 6x squared ಇನ್ನೇನು ಇಲ್ಲ. Minus 9x plus how much? 9x. Plus is greater, therefore plus 5x. Minus 6 plus 2 minus 4 equals 0. 6x squared plus 5x minus 4 equals 0. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಟ್ರೈನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕಾಮನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಕಾಮನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್. ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಂತ. 6 into 4 is how much? 24. 5 ಬರಬೇಕು. 8 is 24 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Therefore 6 into minus 4 minus 24 ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಬರ್ಕೋ. ಆ minus 24 ನ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಬಂದಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಒಂದು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 8 is 24. That is plus 8 minus 3. That is, you have to bring it to the standard form, and then only you have to decide whether you can do by factorization method or by applying formula. Here, your problem factorization method ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Come on to it. 6x squared as it is rated plus 5x plus 8x minus 3x minus 4 equals 0. I have written like that only. Then I have to group them and factorize. Group them. 6x square plus 8x underline ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Minus 3x minus 4 underline ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. I'll just find out the common factor. What is the common factor? 2x is the common factor. See now? 6x square plus 8x ಅಲ್ಲಿ what is the common factor? 2x. If you just take it out, what do you get it? Here within the bracket 3x plus 4. 2x into 3x plus 4. What are the next two terms? Minus 3x minus 4. I have already told you. You have to take out the same sign. Third term, this category. Minus 1 into, because there is no common factor other than 1. So minus of 3x plus 4 equals 0. When I take out minus, my plus will become minus, minus will become plus. So minus 1 but I have already 3x plus 4 equals 0. 1. Once again, what is the common factor? 3x plus 4. Take it out. 3x plus 4 into 2x minus 1 equals 0. So very easy. We have already done the previously. Of course, we have done all these things. Equate each factor equal to 0. 3x plus 4 equals 0 or 2x minus 1 equals 0. You are written alwa. 3x plus 4 equals 0, 2x minus 1 equals 0. Then get the value of x. 3x plus 4 equals 0 means 3x equals minus 4. Therefore, what is the value of x? X equals minus 4 by 3. It is one of the rules. X is equal to minus 4 by 3. Next one, 2x minus 1 equals 0. 2x is equal to 1. Therefore, what is the value of x? X equals 1 by 2, that is half. They are the two roots of the equation. Write them separately. What are the roots here? Minus 4 by 3 and another one is half. They are the two roots of the equation. ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದರ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಒನ್ ಸೈಸ್ miscellaneous problem. You have to bring it to the standard form ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. Okay? Yeah. I'll just go to the next problem. The next problem is a little different. Same thing. A squared x squared minus 3abx plus 2b squared equals 0. Factorize. Here, I cannot do by factorization method directly ontara. Agodilla. Because they are general terms. A squared, x squared, like that. So in that case, I've already told you what is the next method that I got. The method that I have to adopt is factorization Allah, formula method. In the formula method, you have to analyze first of all the values of A, B and C. Okay, here A equals A squared. How? What is the coefficient of x squared? That is A squared. Then B equals minus 3ab. Please understand. Minus 3ab. Then what is the value of C? C equals 2b square constant. So I have analyzed the values of A, B and C according to the equation. Once the equation is there, A squared x squared minus 3abx plus 2b square equals 0 is there. I have just taken out the values of A, B and C. As per that one, ax square plus bx plus c equals 0 compare ಮಾಡಿ, I just taken out. Then what is the next thing there? I have to apply the formula. What is the formula? I think you have not forgotten. X equals what? Minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac whole divided by what? 2a. This is the formula. X equals minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by which one? 2a. You can find the value of b square minus 4ac separately and then you can substitute. I hope you understood. What is the discriminant here? b square minus 4ac. ಅದನ್ನೇ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅದನ್ನು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ, afterwards you just substitute. Now ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಬರೀತೀನಿ. b squared minus 4ac. What is the value? Alright. What is the value of b? The value of b is minus 3ab. So minus 3ab the whole square. ಅದನ್ನೇ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Minus 4ac. 4 into ac means what? A squared into c is 2b squared. I am simplifying b square minus 4ac. Then what will it become? What is minus 3ab the whole square? Plus 9a squared b squared. ಸರಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Minus 3ab the whole square is 9a square b square. Minus 4 2s are 8a square b squared ಬರುತ್ತೆ. See that? 9a square b square minus 8a square b square. Simplify ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ it is 1a square b square. 9a square b square minus 8a square b square ಅಂದರೆ a square b square. ಅಂದರೆ b square minus 4ac ನೇ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಇವಾಗ. Therefore now x is equal to minus b. Minus b means minus of minus 3ab. ಬಹಳ ಹುಷಾರಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲಿ. ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾದಲ್ಲೇ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿ. ದೆನ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ square root of. What the value of b square minus 4ac? I have calculated as a squared b squared. I am writing a squared b squared. I hope you understood. Instead of b square minus 4ac, I am writing a square b square. Whole divided by how much? A square b square. I hope you understood this one. Then simplify it further. X is equal to, what is minus of minus? Plus 3ab. Then plus or minus. What is square root of a squared b squared? It is a perfect square. That is equal to ab. Plus or minus ab. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆಫ್ a square b square ಬದಲು ಏನು ಬರೀಬೇಕು ನಾನು? ab ಬರೀಬೇಕು. Whole divided by a squared b square. Not a square. 2a ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? I am sorry. 2a ಬರೀಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? a square b square ಅಲ್ಲ. 2a ಅಂದರೆ 2a square ಬರೀಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು ನಾನು. I have to write 2a square. See that? ನೋಡಿ, minus of minus 3ab plus of a square by 2a ಅಲ್ವಾ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾದಲ್ಲಿರೋದು? 2a ಬದಲು 2a square ಬರೀಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ a square b square ಬರೆಯಲ್ಲ, 2a square ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಟೇಕ್ ದಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲಿ? a square b square ಬರ್ತೀನಿ, a square b square ಬರೋಲ್ಲ, 2a ಬರೀಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾದಲ್ಲಿರೋದು? 2 into what is the value of a? A is 2a square. I have to write 2a square. Then simplify it further. X is equal to 3ab plus or minus ab ಅಂದರೆ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಬರೀರಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ 3ab plus ab whole divided by 2a square ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 3ab minus ab whole divided by 2a square. 3ab plus ab upon 2a square. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 3ab minus ab upon 2a square. That is x equals. What is 3ab plus ab? 4ab. 4ab upon 2a square ಬಂತು. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 3ab minus ab ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ab 2ab divided by 2a square. 3ab minus ab ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 2ab ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋದು. Then simplify further. 4 ಇದೆ, 2 2s are 4 ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. a square ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು a ತೆರಳು ಹೊರಟೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 2b by a ಒಂದು ರೂಟ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 2 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಯಿತು. b by a is another root. 2b by a and b by a are the roots. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೋಡಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ? a square b square ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2a ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾದಲ್ಲಿ 2a ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? 2a ಅಂದರೆ 2 ಬದಲಾಗಿ 2ನೇ ಬರಿತೀನಿ. a ಬದಲಾಗಿ ಅಂದರೆ ವಾಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ a ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. 2a ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಕೊನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ 4ab by 2a ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇದೆ. 2ab ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 4ab ಅಪಾನ್ 2a ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದನ್ನು ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ನೋಡಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ 2b ಅಪಾನ್ a ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು b by a ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದೇ ಆರ್ ದ two roots of the equation. You must be very careful while substituting. You should not commit the mistake like that. a square b square ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2a ಬದಲು 2 ಹಾಕಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಅಲ್ಲ? 2a square ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ. I hope you understood this one. Once again you do the problem correctly at home. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, we have worked out so many problems. Tomorrow I'll take up the problems, different problems, that is fractions. Fractions ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಆ ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಟುಮಾರೋ ಐ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಅಪ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ವೆರೈಟಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸನ್ನು ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಕಮಿಟ್ ದ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ನಾನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಯು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಡೂ ಇಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ. ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ದಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡೂ ಇಟ್. ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಇಟ್ ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಇಟ್ ಅಟ್ ಹೋಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಇಟ್. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಇಟ್. ಓವರ್ ನೈಟ್ ಯಾವುದು ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಇಟ್. ಇದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಾನು ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಿರುಗಿಸೋದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇದಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಕಡೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡೋದು ಬಹಳ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಏನು, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ ರೈಟ್. ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಾಟ್ ವಿತ್ ದಟ್ with what a little means I got. I am just doing my level best. Okay, do it like that. Thank you. Good evening to all of you. Tomorrow we meet.